That's something we've never seen in a quilt shop.
No, most likely not.
Hi friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. We are at another quilt shop here in Florida.
Yeah, it's by the town of Hudson, Florida. It's along the Gulf Coast, and we love the name, so we just had to come and check it out.
Yeah, it's called Quilt Til You Wilt. Super cute. So it's just kind of out, right? It's out. As a matter of fact, when we got here, we thought we had the wrong directions because it looks like you're pulling into just somebody's driveway, but in the back of the house here, which I assume is the owner, I guess I don't know that for sure, there's a little shop and that's their little store, and it's tiny, but it's a sweet little shop. And we went in for 2 seconds. We talked to the sweet lady that's working in there, and she said that we could come on in. Usually we give people warning. We gave her no warning. We just showed up. So so we're gonna go in and check it out.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
We are so good.
Cool.
We're so excited about your little
so
shop.
glad. Yes, let me just do this. I have a lot to show you guys.
Good. We walked in and we saw Jenny right away, and that made us happy. We love
Yes.
Jenny. And what's your name?
My name's Doreen.
Doreen. We just snuck up on Doreen. And
She did.
so,
She did. Look at this.
so sweet. You look beautiful. But she's going to show us around anyway, even
Right.
though we're
One
just...
of the things I want to show you before you go anywhere
Yeah.
is that we are the people that make the Binding Buddy. This is being sold by for Quilt in a Day. They're very popular to do bindings with. So that's, I got to tell you that's one of our big things. This is what it looks like here, like this, when
me how
you're
to do
binding, and the binding goes like this. It doesn't go on all over your floor.
Ah. And do
What on
people
the
ever just call you and
Sure.
order something
Yep.
and you send it out? Okay.
Absolutely. So, for an example, when you're doing a binding, on the quilt, you know how you get the mess on the floor? Well, this helps you sew the binding to the quilt. Like kind of on an idea here. Here's your quilt and here's that. And you go right here and you don't have a mess.
Oh,
It's amazing. Yep.
So
helpful.
nifty.
Yep. And so this is the original. Pat designed this and her dad made thousands of them. And so we're very proud of that.
And Pat's the owner.
Pat is the
She's
owner,
not
Pat
here
Wilkinson.
today, but
Yep, she's not
okay.
here today, but yeah. Of course, we were surprised, so
Yes.
what can I do to show you around?
Well, let's just start at the beginning. Let's back up.
Okay.
Beep, 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 beep. And you can show us what you've got.
Okay, so what I generally do is when people come in, I kind of give them an overview about where everything happens to be. So we like have our flannels over here. We have a lot of patriotics, a lot of eagle panels. We have tons of Halloween because we're Halloween crazy. We love it. We have our retro. And then if you go on that side, you're going to go into your colors, your browns, oranges, the greens, and the blues, and things like that. Okay? If you follow me down here, we have got reds, and we have nurse fabric, we made many masks through this whole pandemic. So we have nurse fabrics, we have some animals, beautiful cardinals and birds and things like that. And right behind you is our batiks. So, yep. And
Always have to have
books.
those. Yeah.
Let's just kind of show you here your friend.
Yeah, there's Jenny.
We just have a few of hers. Look.
Oh, just a few. Not very many.
Here's another one. So yeah, we just have a few of those.
Nice.
And if you come to this section, you'll see children's fabric and then Christmas. We have quite a bit of Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Nice.
we've got all kind of little bits and bobs, around here that you can
Bits
get
and
as well.
bobs.
Yeah,
You have bits and bobs. I
I've gotta
love
ask,
these.
Go ahead.
because it is such a unique name. Where did the name of this place come from?
This is Pat. I mean, years and years ago, she came up with the name herself, Quilt Til You Wilt. And that's exactly what it is, because she has she's one of those people that her mind never stops. She's always looking up, for new things to do, and spends many, many hours behind the machine. Let me show you that. So this is our long arm. This is Pat's long arm. She does all the work out here. This is Scooby. Hello,
Hi, Scooby.
Yep, Scooby is our resident hello, bye-bye, I love you bird. She will die. She will dance for you, and she's very happy. This one, on the other hand, is our little screamer girl.
Oh.
And there is Susie. And she has a tendency, and that's why she was covered. Hello?
Oh
Yeah.
my.
Yeah. Big wings, girls.
So cute.
Yep.
Hello.
So
Okay,
the-
that's something we've never seen in a quilt shop.
No, most likely not.
Okay.
The long arm over here is the one that we do rent that out and teach on it.
Okay.
So people can come in, call us, and one of the things that we do here is we only allocate one person per day. So in other words, if somebody comes in and thinks they're only going to take 3 hours, we just and that's
Why
Susie.
she?
That's why she was. But so if somebody wants to come, oops, sorry. Somebody wants to come in, we allocate the day to them.
Okay,
So
got
they
you.
don't feel rushed, you
Sure.
know, and just kind of enjoy the
Perfect.
experience. Yeah.
Nice.
What it takes to run this, but then again, see, we started a monster. And inside here, if you want to follow me in here, this is Eunice. Say bye,
Hi, Eunice. Bye, Eunice.
Eunice is one of our team. She's our embroidery girl.
Nice.
We do embroidery. She does the, get the orders, and she does them when she comes in on a Wednesday. And so in here's our classroom. Say hello, Sandy. Hey.
Hi, Sandy.
Sandy comes in, and comes all the time, does her projects and what have you.
This sure is pretty.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, that's so pretty.
So how often do you hold classes here?
Every day.
Oh.
Yep, people can come in and work on whatever it is that they want to work on. And if they have a problem or an issue, somebody who's a brand new quilter and doesn't even know how to sew a straight line, things like that, that's what we're here for. Classes are $8 a day, so you can be here from 10 to 3. Or however long you
That's
want to
a good
be
deal.
here for $8, and you learn whatever it is you want to learn. It's been really a lot of fun.
Man, I wish we were going to be here longer.
Yeah.
I wish you were too.
Because I have all kinds of questions.
I know.
So I am rushing through a tiny bit just because my camera is not loving the lighting in here.
Oh,
But
it's a little darker in here.
babe, can you pull this? Sure. I'm in love with this. Look at this fabric. That is so stinking cute. I love that.
Yeah. Some stuff that maybe a lot of places don't have, because we're the type that, this is cute, we have to have it,
Very good.
So, yeah, we work hard to make everybody feel comfortable and, look forward to coming back and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, this is really fun shop. Thank you so much for letting us sneak in here and surprise you. You did a great job. You're a star.
Oh my gosh, a start making.
Yeah.
All right, so that was a tiny, adorable little quilt shop. Like we said, we surprised her. She did a great job. Little movie star.
And what about those birds?
They were fun.
They were.
Super cute.
It's amazing what you find in a quilt shop. It seems like every place we go, there's just something that's a little different, a little more unique.
Something unique about it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. All right, we're going to link all that information below. If you saw anything you like, you can give them a call, or if you're anywhere near here, $8 a day to come in and hang out and have use of a little sewing area and some help. And who doesn't? All right, you guys, we hope that you enjoyed this little quilt shop. We'll have another one for you soon, right?
So it's what we do.
It's what we do. Okay. All right, until next time, this is GrassRoots Living reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.